Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we're here at the American Horrorplex here in Louisville, Kentucky, and the theme here is around the Bracken Heart Institute. It's these two German doctors that came over here and started doing experiments. Things have gone pretty awry. One of the monsters burned the place down, everybody died, but not all of the bodies were recovered. One of our review teams ranked this place one of the highest rated haunts in Kentucky. We're gonna take you guys inside with us, so without further ado, let's go in and get some scares. Oh God, what you got here? Oh God. You gotta go for the bullseye?
Overhand, get it.
Overhand? All right.
Yeah.
Here we go.
You got a good doing.
Here we go.
Sammy wants to try.
Get it, Sammy.
Uh-oh,
You gotta tug it hard.
Wait.
Whoa.
Now get after it.
Uh-oh.
Now get after it.
Oh God.
Oh my.
Oh God.
Oh my God.
You gotta pull harder.
This can't be good for your body. He just wanted you to yank on it.
There you go.
And I'm yanking away.
Oh, that was like, look, it fell right off.
Oh, no.
They call us Legion, for we are many, and it was me that brought you here. It was my influence that engulfs the entire world in a terrible war, creating a mass blood sacrifice in my name. As the dust settles, I was heard into some American ears, encouraging them to bring Germany's most twisted scientists to this country.
German.
Dr. Bracken and the dear departed Dr. Art. I cast my pearls of dark wisdom before them, inspiring Art to create a horde of bodies in my image that she called Fleshlickens, vessels worthy of my legacy. And the scream that accompanies my newborn breath became a fire. Those who ushered me into this world were slaughtered like swine, burned alive, and sealed in a hell they created forever. You have become my children and was sent to the belly of the beast, prisoners trapped in the last minutes of the Bracken Heart Institute, repeating themselves without end, over and over.
Number two? We're still blue.
Hey, Pennies! Alright, I have instructions. When I let you out, it is important that everyone do this. When I let you out, everyone is to have their hands on their head the entire time. You know where I like to have my hands?
Where? In your butt?
In your pants?
Oh!
Ah. That's not where they go. Ah, that's not where they go.
That's nutritious.
It's recycling. Hands on the head.
Hands on the head.
yeah.
Like this? I guess?
Hands
Like
on
we're
the
about to be
heads.
arrested? I don't know. Let's go! The whole
Oh, God.
time.
Yeah, I got
Oh,
it!
God.
We'll see.
Oh! All right, let's go.
Let's go!
Where?
Where, faster!
Oh no! I don't like this. No.
Good day, everyone. My name is Nurse Joy, because such a joy to have you guys here at the Bracken Heart Institute.
Oh.
You guys are just in time for your lobotomy.
Yay!
Looking at me.
Oh my.
We're gonna take the elevator to the doctor's office. Just step up. I have food here.
Welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard.
Going up.
Does it feel like a normal elevator? Oh my goodness, how are you not dizzy?
Arriving at
Oh,
processing.
one step down.
Did it say cross-dressing?
Have a joyful day.
In there? Oh my. I don't trust this. This isn't very comfy.
This is perfectly normal. It's okay.
But I'm gonna be with you. Oh my god, I don't like it. Oh, what is that? Oh god, it What the f is that? No. What is that? Oh, no.
You've heard about my wall, haven't you?
Yes.
Come on. like to go somewhere low with her.
I would love to. Yes.
Right down there.
Right here?
Like this guy just actually.
No. That's a pork. Oh, what is that? No, no, no. No, sir. What is on your head? Oh my God, it smells. You smell. Oh, you stink real bad. I don't like this. Hello? Where are you? Over in there. She's breaching. You don't push. I'm pulling it. Push. Linda. Push. Linda, bear down.
I think it might be your face.
Mine? Ew, it looks just like you. Uh-oh. She hit the button.
Oh no, I'm okay.
Give me your piss! I want your piss! Give me her piss! She wants her piss!
Extra stuffing just for you.
Oh my!
I don't think it smells good at all. Oh! I still want it! I'm making it so easy for you! I can't give it to you! I just peed my pants! No! Oh my God! Okay. I was not expecting that. Oh my goodness. Oh! Oh God. Oh, what the hell? Oh! She came in. Ew, it smells so bad. Why do you guys live in filth? Oh God. This is horrible. I think no. Oh no. Oh no. Ew. That on me.
No.
Run, Nick. You're not supposed to eat that.
No.
Oh God.
Oh, darling! I
What did you
can't
just swing on us?
clean the shower.
He just flung something away.
Why did you have to clean me? You gonna clean me?
Yeah, sure.
Yes,
Oh my God.
Yes, you're gonna have to. I'm old. Help me find my soap.
Find his soap. Find his soap. You got a little on you. No. You gotta find his soap.
On it.
No. No. Oh my God. He keeps getting wet with his toothbrush. You're smelly.
Dirty. Oh. You're not worried.
Whoa, where did you come from? They made a mess in here.
Oh Lord.
Oh my.
I've
All
got
these
toilet
German
brush water in my eye.
Oh, where's my finger? No, ma'am.
Smell my finger!
No.
It's one guy!
Quickly get to the train before the rats infect you.
Train?
Like they get to the train! It's the only safe way out of here! It is the only way you will survive out here!
Okay, we gotta find the train.
Here and I will kill all the rats!
All right, cool, thank you. God, that thing just got. Oh, into the mouth. Oh, what is that?
Oh God.
What the hell? Oh my God.
It's the mother lumpkin.
You're coming to my lab, huh?
No,
Who gave you access here?
Well, they told
This
us.
is a restricted area!
They told us to find the train.
You reek of fear!
Oh, well, that's.
Augustina!
There's a
Show
reason.
them all to their salvation, especially little Nora here.
Oh my.
Hurry on! You should really be more aware of your surroundings.
Probably so.
You never know when something's gonna creep around the corner.
You're 100% right.
Ooh, that's creepy.
Watch the step. It's a doozy.
Yep. Gotta watch out.
It is. Oh, I don't like it.
I don't think he likes us here. I think he's German. Yeah. Do us. Who is that? Oh, I'm No, I don't want to be stretched.
I just love seeing a train car full of survivors, don't you?
Yeah,
Oh, God!
especially when they're us.
We like being survivors.
Get back, none of you are survivors!
Oh. Here we go.
Oh gosh.
Woo! Up in the air. Woo! Oh my goodness. Holy shizballs. Oh my god. You're very acrobatic. I don't think they're human anymore. Oh, what? Oh.
Not yet.
No?
Oh my God.
Wow. Oh my god, where'd it go? I don't like it because it looks kind of like a spider. What?
Oh god.
Thank you. I think. Do not open that. Test subject. Don't open. Is that him? Oh my god. That's subject. He's escaped.
Holy crap, guys, that was the American Horrorplex down here in Louisville, Kentucky. Let us know what you thought. So many new changes for this year. The place is action-packed. You saw the way those actors were on us the whole way through. And that subway train there at the end, I mean, come on. And don't forget, once you leave here, there's a whole midway that you can take advantage of, all kinds of vendors and food trucks and even a petting zoo. So come on down to American Horrorplex, tell them the Scare Factor sent you. And if you enjoyed this video, you are not gonna wanna miss Malice Manor. I've got it linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.